Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the XB edition you run and why that matters. Home cannot use the same multilingual UI as Professional without MUI. Once done, backup files and create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the correct language pack or the Windows XP MUI DVD for your version. Make sure the pack matches SB2/SB3. Now insert the CD or copy the language files to a local folder and prepare to install. You now run the language installer from an administrator account. If you see a UAC prompt, accept it. During installation, choose the target language and pay attention to keyboard and regional options. Those control input and formatting separately. The installer may add files to %system root % and update registry entries. That's normal. Once the setup completes, you will be prompted to reboot. Do so to apply the UI. After restart, log in and verify menus, dialogues, and keyboard mapping reflect the new language. You finish by opening Control Panel, right arrow regional and language options to fine-tune formats, input locales, and the display language. Log off and back on to ensure everything applies. If some UI strings remain in the old language, that means the wrong MUI or service pack was used. Reinstall the correct pack and update to SB3 as needed. If the system becomes unstable, boot safe mode and use the system restore point you created earlier. That will roll back the language change safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.